How to check your credit score in Bank of America application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to check your credit score in Bank of America application, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open up your Bank of America application and just make sure you're successfully logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, just head over to the dashboard option from your home screen. So just wait for a few seconds while the dashboard loads. And from over here, you should see all of your details and information such as your my FICO score, that is my FICO score. You can just tap on that, or you can also just locate any credit, health or similar section. As I have found the option to view my FICO score, so I'll simply tap on that. So once you locate it, you should be able to click or tap to view your current FICO score and potentially other related informations. And Bank of America may also offer a credit view dashboard powered by TransUnion for more in-depth credit information. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.